Hello everyone, I am teacher Jonas and today we're going to learn a fun new topic. But before we get to it, let's review what we learned the past few classes, okay? So, as you remember, we learned about materials, right? Every object you see and touch is made of a material. Now we have many different materials, but I'm going to teach you, actually review 8 of them, okay? First material we learned was plastic. Do you remember plastic? Like a bottle of water is made of plastic, a plastic plate, your yogurt plate, all of these are made of plastic. Then we learned about ceramic. Now, when you talk about ceramic, you gotta think about these plates. Sometimes when you go to Isan restaurant, they give you ceramic plates because it's beautiful. Or look at this mug. Ceramic, if you drop it, poof, it breaks, okay? So that's one thing you should remember. Then we have rubber. Rubber, for example, a car's tire, or the rubber band that you use for your hair, or rubber on a mask. Then we have fabric. Fabric is what makes every piece of cloth, as you remember, right? For example, your socks, your shoes, some shoes actually, your shirt, your pants, your skirt, these are all made of fabric. Then we learned about wood. Wood comes from trees, right? For example, look at this. Wooden bed, wooden closet, wooden dressing table, wooden chair. We make a lot of things out of wood. Then we learned about paper. Paper is made from wood as well. Now, paper, we can think about your books, your comic books. All of these are made of paper. Next, glass. You see, glass also breaks. If you hit glass, boop, it breaks also, same as ceramic. Another thing about glass is that you can see the other side. Do you remember the word for it? It's transparent. Very good. Then we learned about metal. Metal is very hard. It's very stiff, as you remember. Now, then we learned about properties of materials. Properties are characteristics. So, for example, we learned about waterproof and not waterproof. Waterproof means water cannot go in. For example, look at this. An umbrella. When you put an umbrella, water is not going to come inside, right? Because it's waterproof. And then we have not waterproof. For example, my shirt. If you pour water, the water is going to go inside because it's not waterproof. Then we learned about stretchy. Stretchy, right? Now, when you think about stretchy, you got to think about rubber. Rubber is very stretchy. Next, we have bendy. Bendy. A lot of materials are bendy. For example, again, rubber is bendy, but metal is not bendy. You need to be very strong to bend metal. Next, we have stiff. Stiff means you cannot bend it, such as metal, such as wood, right? Now, we learned about smooth. Smooth. Now, when you think about smooth, you can look at this tree. You see, it's very smooth. Like plastic is very smooth. And then we have rough. Look at here. Rough. Ooh. When it's rough, it's not fun to touch it. When you touch it, you get hurt. Remember last time I said my beard is very rough. Then we learned about transparent. Transparent. Remember, I told you glass is transparent. Some plastic materials are also transparent, like a bottle of water. It's transparent. You can see the other side. Then we have opaque. Opaque, you cannot see the other side. For example, ceramic is opaque. Wood is opaque. Metal is opaque. You cannot see the other side. Then we learn about absorbent. Fabric, like this one, is absorbent. It means it takes the water inside of it. Same as it means that it's not waterproof because it takes the water inside. Then we have not absorbent. Not absorbent is like waterproof. It means it will not take the water. Same as plastic. Plastic is not absorbent. Paper is also absorbent. It takes the water. Then we learned about shiny. Shiny. Shiny, when the light hits it, it comes back to you. Shiny. For example, my phone's screen is shiny. You see the light? It's shiny. So that means that glass is shiny. Or metal sometimes is shiny. But something like wood is dull. It's dull. You see, it doesn't reflect the light back very good. Wood is very dull. Fabric is dull. Most fabric. Okay, so the new topic for today is living things and non-living things. So please repeat after me. Living things. Living things. Living things. Very good. Now this one, it's exactly the same as this, but it has none. So non-living things. Repeat. Non-living things. Repeat. Non-living things. Okay, so we have living things and non-living things. But the question is, teacher, what is living thing? What is non-living thing? I don't know it, teacher. Don't worry. Teacher Jonas is here to teach you. So, what is a living thing? What is a non-living thing? Let's say it very simple. Living things are alive and have life. Life in Thai is shiwit. If something has life, for example, me, I have life, I have shiwit. So I am a living thing. But let's say this mouse. Does it have life? Does it have shiwit? No. So it's a non-living thing. Now let's get another example. What about animals? Let's say a cat, a dog. Let's say a dog. Does a dog have life? Yes. Dog has life, has shiwit. So dog is a living thing. But let's say a car. A car doesn't have a life, so it's a non-living thing. Okay, now let's make it easier. Living things need food. Food means ahan, food, water, you already know water, and air. Okay, so all living things need these three things. They need food, water, and air. Same as you, same as me. I need food. If I don't eat food, I die. I need water. If I don't drink water, I'm gonna die again. I need air. If there is no air, no air, I cannot breathe. I die. Okay, so all living things need food, water, and air. Now, let's take another point. Okay, living things can move. See, I'm moving. A cat can run. A plant can grow and sometimes move. So, living things can move. Next, living things can grow. Grow means they are first a baby, then they grow bigger, 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 so they can grow. Next is reproduce. This one is a little hard to say, so please repeat after me. Reproduce. When you say reproduce, it means they will have babies. For example, human like me, I can have a baby. A cat can have kittens. We call that reproduce. Reproduce, okay? Or a tree can make other trees. A flower can make more flowers. We call that reproduce. So, living things can move, can grow, and can reproduce. Now, if you're a bit confused, it's okay. Teacher Jonas is here to save you. So, as you remember, living things need three things. They need food, like this cow, nom nom nom, like me, like you, like plants, flowers. Remember, plants, flowers, trees, they are also living things, okay? They have life. They have shiwit, okay? Fish, bird, other types of animals, even tiny, tiny animals like ant are living things. They need food. They need water. And they need air. You know, plants also breathe, okay? Even fish, animals that live in the ocean, marine animals also need air, but not the same way as us, okay? So they need food, water, and air. All living things. Next, living things can move like this, ding, 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 like this. They can move. They can grow. Look at a human. First a baby, then a kid, then an adult. We grow. Or animals. Look at this. A tiny, tiny kitten. And then a big kitten. And then a big cat. So, this animal can grow. Or look at this tree. First, it's a little bit of tree, like this big. And then it grows bigger and bigger. So, even plants can grow. Then we have reproduce. Reproduce. Can you repeat it one more time after me? I want to make sure you can say it. Repeat. Reproduce. One more time. Reproduce. One more time. Reproduce. Very good. Reproduce. Now, reproduce, for example, we have one fish here and then many small fish. It means it reproduces. Or look at this hen. They have egg, then the egg become chick. Reproduce. Or mother and father together, they have a baby. That baby is because of reproducing, right? So all living things can move, can grow, and can reproduce. Okay, now, when you want to know if something is a living thing or non-living thing, you have to ask yourself some questions. So, answer these questions. We see a lion. Let's say I don't know. Lion, is it a living thing, non-living thing? I don't know, okay? Let's say teacher doesn't know. Easy. You have to ask a question. Does a lion need food, water, and air? Does it need it? Yes. Okay. Can a lion move? Yes. Can a lion grow? Yes. Does it reproduce? Can a lion have babies? Yes. So, it is a living thing. Very good. Let's see the next one. Next one is plant. Okay? Does it need food, water, and air? Yes. Plants need food. Plants need water. Plants need air, right? Can it move? Sometimes, but it's very little. But they can still move, okay? Can it grow? Yes, it can grow. Does it reproduce? Yes, they can make more plants. So, if the answer is yes, it is a living thing. Next, let's see. What do we have? Ooh, it's a snake. It's a tiny snake. Does it need food, water, and air? Yes, it does. Can it move? Yes, it wiggles around. Can it grow? Yes. Does it reproduce? Does it make babies? Yes. So, it is a living thing. Very good. Now, let's see. What about this teddy bear? Does it need food, water, and air? No, it doesn't need any of that. Can it move? No. But some teddy bears, teacher, some teddy bears, when you press it, it. Okay. But can it grow? No. Does it reproduce? Does it have babies? No. So, is it a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it is a non-living thing. Good job. Let's see what's next. Okay, same questions, okay? We have a little cute ladybug on a plant. Now, the question, let's say it's about the ladybug and the plant. Do they need food, water, and air? Yes, they do. Even though this animal is very small, it still needs food, water, and air. Can it move? Yes, it can move. Also, the plant can move. Can it grow? Yes. Even though it can grow to small size, but it can still grow. Because at the beginning, it's super, super tiny. And then it grow, and then it becomes a beautiful ladybug. Does it reproduce? Does it have babies? Yes, it does. So, it is a living thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have some crayons. You draw pictures with crayons. You color stuff with crayons. So, does it need food, water, and air? No. Can it move? Can it move? No. Can it grow? No. Does it reproduce? No. So, it is a non-living thing. Good job. Let's go to the next one. Let's see what's next. Elephant. I love elephants. Does it need food, water, and air? Can it move? Can it grow? Does it reproduce and have babies? Look at here. Yes. So, it is a living thing. Next. Oh, another doll. Does it need food, water, and air? No. Can it move? No. Can it grow? No. Does it reproduce? No. So, it is a non-living thing. Very good. Only a few more, okay? We have another one. We have a toy train, right? So, think. Does it need food, water, and air? Yes or no? No. Can it move by itself? Yes, you can move it, but can it move by itself? Can it grow? Does it reproduce? So, it is a non-living thing. Good job. Almost perfect. What about this one? Look at the doggy. Oh, and a baby goat. We call a baby goat kid. So, do they need food, water, and air? Yes, they do. Can they move? Yes, they can. Can they grow? Yes, they can. Can they reproduce? Yes. A doggy can have baby doggies called puppies. A goat can have baby goats, kids, so they can reproduce. So they are living things. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, it's a rock. It's a beautiful rock. I like it. But does it need food, water, and air? Can it move? Can it grow? Does it reproduce? So, it is a non-living thing. Good job. Let's see what's next. Oh, it's a baby. Easy answer. It is a living thing. But before we get there, does it need food, water, and air? Yes. Can it move? Yes. Can it grow? Yes, this baby is going to become a grown person. Does it reproduce? Yes. So, it is a living thing. Oh, it's a cute car. I love this car. Does it need food, water, and air? No. Can it move? Yes, but it cannot move by itself. We make it move. So, no. Can it grow? Can it become a truck? No. Does it reproduce? Does it have baby cars? No. So, it is a non-living thing. Last one. Ooh, a big tree. Does it need food, water, and air? Yes, it does. Can it move? Yes, it can. Can it grow? Yes, it can grow. Look how big it is. Does it reproduce? Yes. So it is a living thing. Okay, everyone, I am so proud of you. You did very well. If you have any questions, you can message me in line and ask me the question. Okay, until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye-bye.